Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you some basics and fundamentals about ethical hacking and penetration testing. Let's start. We want to know some information about this course. So what is this course? This course, Learn the Basics of Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing, is about how you can learn to pen test a system or a website, web application, mobile application, wireless network using defined steps, using professional steps. Who will teach you this course? Muhammad Ramadan. You can follow him on Twitter at tech_secure. So why we made this course? Because we want to make you a better ethical hacker, a better penetration tester. Okay, so how we can make you a better hacker or a penetration tester? We are going to show you some great slides with great deal of information and practical videos, hands-on videos, how you can do this, why you do this, and how you can enhance your skills in penetration testing using the latest and the powerful penetration testing tools today. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask us and we will answer as soon as possible. Plus, we have online penetration testing lab so you can practice and sharpen your skills while you learn the basics of ethical hacking and penetration testing. Okay. I need to tell you something before we start. You must know that theory is very important. Okay, we know you want to hack and penetrate something or like wireless networks, hack some systems. I know most of people love doing this, but in this course it's different because we don't teach you how to hack without rules, how to hack without permissions. We need to make you a professional and ethical hacker, not just a hacker, but we want to make you a professional security guy. This will differentiate you from hackers and other people who hack randomly without defined steps or without permission or anything legal. Okay,